Look out at the world. Isn't it wonderful? And see all the places we call home. Hand-built hideaways, castles in the clouds, and bungalows with a beach out back. On Airbnb.com, you can book and stay in any one you like, all for a price that suits you. It's simple. Just enter where you want to go, the dates you want to be there, and choose from thousands of places.
Welcome to our XYZ, your trusted source for valuable insights and tips on various topics. In this article, we will explore how you can earn money from the Airbnb app. Airbnb has revolutionized the way people travel and find accommodations by providing a platform for individuals to rent out their spare rooms, apartments, or houses to travelers. By leveraging this innovative app, you can turn your property into a lucrative source of income. Earning money from the Airbnb app is a rewarding opportunity to leverage your property and hospitality skills. By following these steps and implementing effective strategies, you can optimize your listing, attract more bookings, and provide exceptional guest experiences. Remember to continually evaluate and adjust your approach based on guest feedback and market trends to stay competitive. So, get started, embrace the potential of Airbnb, and embark on a journey to earn money while welcoming travelers from around the world. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, our XYZ.